Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the exciting world of secrets to making money from home. If you've ever dreamed of earning income from the comfort of your own home, this video is for you. We'll be sharing proven and effective strategies to achieve financial independence. So, don't miss out and join us on this journey towards economic success from home. Secret 1: Find your passion or skill. The first secret to making money from home is finding your unique passion or skill. Identifying what you are passionate about or what you excel in is the crucial first step towards financial success. We'll show you how to turn that passion into a profitable path that allows you to work doing what you love. Discover how your passion can become a valuable source of income. Secret 2: Turn your passion into a service or product. Once you've found your passion, it's time to turn it into a service or product that you can offer from home. We'll guide you on creating a personal brand, designing appealing services or unique products, and using online tools to boost your business. Learn how to stand out in the market and attract potential customers interested in what you have to offer. Get ready to transform your passion into a profitable income source. Secret 3: Harness the power of digital marketing. Digital marketing is a powerful tool to promote your home-based business. We'll walk you through effective social media marketing strategies, search engine optimization, SEO, and how to leverage content to engage your audience. Discover how to reach a wider audience and increase your sales opportunities from the comfort of your home. Secret 4: Diversify your income sources. The key to sustainable financial security is diversifying your income sources. We'll show you various ways to generate passive income, such as investments, affiliate programs, or online advertising revenue. Learn to build a steady stream of income that allows you to achieve your financial goals and enjoy greater economic stability. Conclusions. And there you have it, our secrets to making money from home. From finding your passion to leveraging digital marketing and diversifying your income, these tips will help you achieve the financial independence you desire. Remember, there are no shortcuts. Success requires dedication and effort, but with perseverance, you can achieve it. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on future content about entrepreneurship and finance. Share this video with friends and family who also want to discover the secrets to making money from home. Together, we'll reach our financial goals and thrive in life. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.